In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kartra's agency feature to manage all your clients' accounts and properties. Hi everyone, it's Kevin from Solopreneur, and I help entrepreneurs like you automate your marketing and sales. Now, this is one of the most requested videos I've gotten, and today we're talking about Kartra agency. That's right. One of the most powerful features of Kartra is that you can run a marketing agency using it and manage all your client accounts in one place. So no longer do you have to log out and log in to individual Kartra accounts. Here you can manage it all from one dashboard, and you can even get access to some really cool features that make your client's life easier, like streamlined reporting, which I'm going to show you as well. Now, if this is the first time you're hearing about Kartra, Kartra is a marketing automation platform with about 12 different tools. So it really gives you everything you need to create amazing marketing campaigns, websites, landing pages, funnels, automated email sequences, you name it, for your clients. I have a bunch of videos down below that walk you through everything Kartra can do, what it is, a review, tutorials, so you can get really familiar with the product if you're not, and you can evaluate it for your agency. And I'm also going to show you how to get an extended 30-day trial in this video. So for the sake of time, I won't go through what Kartra is, and I'll keep it more focused around the agency management components, and I encourage you to watch those videos if you want to learn more about the tool as a whole. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So here we are in Kartra's backend, and in order to show you both sides, I'm going to be showing you the Kartra agency side and the client side, so you get a real good sense of how it all works. Now, here we are on the agency side, and once you've signed up, you'll see the backend like this. So you would go to My Agency, and there you have two models that you can use to sign people up. So the first model is where you can create Kartra accounts and you can pay for those accounts for your client. And what's amazing is you get a 40% discount on every account. So here you own the entire account and you give your client access to the account, and you are paying all the fees, and at any time you can revoke access. Now, one of the benefits of this is, of course, if they're not paying you, you can revoke access to all of their assets. And the other good part about it is it makes you really, really sticky, because now they're kind of beholden to you and you hold the keys to the kingdom in a way. Now, that might not sit well with a lot of clients as well. So the other option is they can create their own Kartra account, and then they can hire you on or add you as an agency to their account. So in the case of a new account, you simply go through the sign up process you did, and then you can grant them access, or you can connect an existing account. And so in this case, you would get their Kartra email, enter it here, and then what that will do is it will actually send them an alert on their side. And so they'll see an email like this requesting access. And then on their end, and here we are in the client section, they will see agency here and they'll have the approve button. Now you'll see that they can cancel the contract at any time because they are the ones who own this account. If it was the other way around, they wouldn't see this. Also, they would be able to edit your permissions, so they can set what features and functionality you can access in granular detail. Now, hopping over to the agency side, now once you've done this, you'll see each of your clients under here listed as a line item. For our example here, we just have one. Now you can go to profile. This will show you your main contacts profile, and just like any other contact in Kartra, you'll get information about them that you can use in other tools. Now, this is also a really cool feature. Kartra has these out-of-the-box reports you can send to your client, which obviously is going to help you retain their services and make it easy to demonstrate the ROI you're generating, either monthly or quarterly or whatever time period you want. And what that would look like is this. You give them this URL, then they type in the client name and the access key, and then they get to log in, and that's all automatically generated for you. And they get this really nice streamlined report, which makes it easier. Now you'll notice it says powered by Kartra and your agency logo. So I'm going to show you how to change this so that your logo will show up as well a little later in the video. So you can co-brand things. Now hopping back over here, so I've shown you the profile, I've shown you how you see all of this. You can terminate the contract and you can see which accounts are self-managed, and if you are the one running the account, it'll actually show you the amount you're paying every month for the account. And just to give you a visual example of what that looks like, you would see the client account here and you would see the billing period right here. So it's really easy to keep track of which plan they're on, how much you're paying for them. And of course, it's up to you. You could always bill more than what Kartra charges. You could be charging them $200 a month because you're the one doing the billing. Or you can roll it all up into a service package like, hey, you get 10 hours of service and the platform for X amount. Really, you can charge whatever your client is willing to pay. Now, the next part, of course, is you can see some analytics and you can see how many active clients you have, the retention, the profits, the costs, and whatnot. And of course, the most important thing, you can access all your client accounts in one click. You just click login and you get full access to their backend, and you can do everything you need to do for them. And again, if you want to learn more about the functionality, I have all the videos on my channel. Check that out. And when you're ready, you can go back to my agency. Now, lastly, I want to show you how you brand your agency. So very simply, just go to your profile here and upload your logo. You click here, you can see the recommended dimensions, upload your logo, hit save. Then once you do that, any of the assets you create for them, such as the report, will automatically have your logo. So will emails you send out on behalf of the client. And that's just a really nice touch to build your brand as an agency. And lastly, I did promise I'd show you how to get an extended 30-day trial of Kartra. So simply click the link in the description down below, and that'll take you to the homepage where now you'll have start your trial. So this will actually activate a 14-day trial for you, but we don't want that. We want a 30-day trial. So what you do is you wait a few seconds, you can scroll a little bit, and then you want to slowly navigate to the back button. And then when that happens, it will trigger this 30-day limited time offer. Now, I believe this only shows up once based on your cookie records. If you clear your cache and cookies, maybe you can get it to trigger again. But if you do get it, I recommend you go through it. And so you click yes, double my trial, and simply go through the billing information. And what's great is after you start your trial, you can upgrade or downgrade your account if you need. But just a reminder, if you are trying to run an agency, the only feature that is tiered is the agency feature, and that does start at the silver plan, and you can get an annual discount as well if you'd like, which saves you up to 25%. That was a high-level overview of Kartra's agency features, which you can see are really powerful and really easy to use and manage. Again, if you want more in-depth videos about Kartra's functionality, check out the channel. If you found this video helpful, drop me a like, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.